The time. So, firstly, we want to get your perspective on something that we've seen recently. Just yesterday, FDI hiked. How is it for the media industry, the broadcast industry, considering that 9 out of 10 broadcast players are bleeding to death? The advertisers are seeing a bit of a muted growth. So, do you see the scenario changing? How is it going to pan out for the advertising industry as well?
Liberalization had got stuck, in the last 5-6 years. No major impetus has been taken. So I think it's a good sign that the government has woken up and actually taken some bold steps in terms of opening up, I think, retail, multi-brand retail and aviation for India. Media, news media is still highly regulated, whereas entertainment media is completely liberalized. So, Star Plus is 100% foreign owned. But news media, I think there is probably some logic in keeping some control in terms of majority shareholding or whatever with Indian companies. But I think this is a sign of things to come. I think the government has moved in the right direction, and I think we should be expecting more opening up of different sectors of the economy, and probably taming a lot of bleeding sectors which we have in the country.
How do you look at the advertising climate currently? Do you see a palpable shift from traditional media to social media?
We've looked at, in fact, we've looked at these numbers over the next, forecasted over the next 5-10 years. We believe that traditional media will still be pretty big. So today, let's say digital media is about 3% of the total ad spend of about 35,000 crores. Now this 3% may go up to 5% in the next 5 years is what we expect. 10 years down the line, all bets are off. We don't know what will happen. But India is one of the few countries where newspaper readership is still growing, newspaper circulation is growing, Indian language newspapers are growing, television is growing. So I don't think newspapers or magazines are going to die very soon, at least in India. Yeah.
Okay, but you've had clients of recently open more receptive to the idea of embracing social media much more than they were.
Well, social media is a very narrow term, so let's look at digital media rather than the social media. So I think in the past, digital and social used to be an afterthought. Today a lot of clients are saying, okay, if you're doing this on TV, this on print, what are you planning to do on digital? So it's become an integral part of, let's say, a full 360-degree campaign planning today, which it wasn't 5 years ago. Even for a soap brand or for a toothpaste brand, you're looking at 360 degrees on day one now, compared to maybe not doing it 5 years ago.
You've worked on a number of brands. Tell us which one has been the most challenging in terms of brand building.
Every brand is challenging. Every brand faces its own set of competitions, its own set of issues. So every brand is challenging, and the market shifts pretty rapidly. Just when you thought you kind of beaten your competition, you're on a roll, and you find a new competition coming in, and you have to go back and relearn this all over again. So every brand is a challenge.
What is the single most challenging factor or area in integrated marketing communications? What has been the most pain point for you? The most challenging that gives you?
Finding the right idea, and then finding the right interpretation in different media. It's very easy to kind of do something flippant in social media and something different in digital, and then find that whole thing is all over the place. The big thing is to find the right button, and then the right big idea, and then take it across all media. That is a big challenge, and we are still learning how to do it.
Okay. And last question, when do you take a decision to kill a brand or to reposition it, and how, give us an instance of when you decided to do that?
Brands, I believe, are eternal. Every brand, if it is nurtured and cared for, can live forever. So if you're a marketer, you should never ever kill a brand. That's where it comes from. But of course, every brand needs to be rejigged, revamped, re-energized, and that is the job of marketing.
True. Okay, thank you so much.